In this video, we will see how to edit in OpenKM. We upload a document in this folder and click on the Edit button. Automatically, the file opens with the OpenKM Online Editor. We can edit and share simultaneous editing jobs with other users. From our session, we will see the inserted changes and we will be in charge of saving the new version in OpenKM. Another way of editing is using OpenKM Live Edit, which detects the file extension and opens it with the appropriate application, in this case Microsoft Word. We add text, and if we want to save this version, we close the application and in the Live Edit window we click on the green button. If we want, we can add a comment. Another option is to use the OpenKM Addins for Office. In this case, we will see an example with our Word file. The OpenKM Addins appear in the menu bar. To edit, click on the Edit button. A pop-up window appears from which we can select the file to edit saved in OpenKM. As an example, we add one more text. As you can see, we have access to more functionalities of the document management software. We can add keywords, assign categories, notes, relationships, etc. When we finish editing, we click on the Check-in button. We confirm that we want to save this version. We can add a comment and even more information to the document. If we go back to OpenKM, we can check that the new version of the file with keywords, categories, notes has been saved. For more information, we recommend that you consult the OpenKM Academy online training platform and visit our OpenKM channel on YouTube. You can also contact us through our website.